Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Google Pixel Watch 2nd. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to download the Google Watch application on your phone, and only after this we'll be able to continue. So, after you have opened this app, click on this button Add Watch. Then click Continue. And here you'll get this notification which suggests us to choose a watch to be managed by Google Pixel Watch. Here, choose your watch 2nd. And after this, on the screen of your watch will appear some numbers, and you need to make sure that the numbers on the screen and on these notifications are the same. If yes, click on this button Pair and wait a little while until the app will connect to your watch. And as a next step, we would need to sign in into our Google account. So for that, we would need to click on this button Sign In, and here choose the Google account that you would like to use for a setup. Then click Continue and wait until the app will sign into your account. As a next step, we would need to click Copy, and here also wait a little while. So, as a next step, we can see this menu in which we can see the terms of service. We would need to choose the options that we would like to agree to. Then scroll down and click I agree. And as a next step, we would need to select the country where we have bought these watches for a limited warranty. So, I'll find my country here and click Back and Continue. And as a next step, we would need to select the watch orientation, which is the wrist that you're going to wear your watches on. I'll select the right one and click Continue. Here we can also elevate our well-being with Google Fitbit. We can choose Continue or Not Now. Then click More, Continue, and Set Up. Then click Skip. Now, we are suggested to set up the Google Wallet and add our card on the watch so we would be able to pay from our watch. We can also do it right now or not now. Then click Not Now, and your watch is almost ready. And after this, the setup has been completed and you can start using your watch. Click Done on your phone and you will get to the settings of your watch in the app. And in a few minutes, your watch will be also ready. After this screen which says starting, you'll get to your watch and you'll be able to start using them. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.